Hello, passionate gardener. Welcome back again. Today, we are diving into the world of rose care and pruning, especially focusing on the pruning during the early spring season. As the winter frost begins to fade away, it's time to prepare our roses for the growing season ahead. Pruning during early springs not only shapes the bush but also simulates new growth and encourages of blooms. A sharp pair of pruning shears or cutter and protective gloves are essential for safe and effective pruning. Now let's put theory into practice. I'll show you how to prune rose bushes step by step, focusing on removing dead, damaged, and crossing branches to open up the center bush. Follow along and we rejuvenate our roses for a season of abundant blooms. It's early spring and you can see there are a lot of new shoots already started coming. I chose this time. I did a prune before already, but this is the second pruning I am doing just to give that my rose plant little bit more space so they can breathe well, because during the spring they will grow hugely and it will be difficult to flow the airs, and I don't want to prune that time. So better I prune and give the space now, and you can experiment with your roses. They will survive, don't worry. Depending on variety and places where your rose growing, they may grow faster and slower. These roses in front of my garden and they get more sunlight, and that's the reason you can see they are growing bit more. So I am just cutting down more stems from here so they can breathe more. Few days later I am going to cut down few shoots as well. I'll share a video on that as well. Once the pruning is complete, don't forget about aftercare. Apply a balanced fertilizer and layer up the organic mulch to nourish the soil and retain moisture. Regular watering and monitoring for the pests and diseases will ensure your roses remain healthy and vibrant throughout the growing season. Don't throw up all those cuttings. You can put them in a place and you will see new growths coming from this cutting, and you will get some success rate from them. Follow this approach and you will get lot of rose plants in no time. It's been a week I have pruned the rose plant and now they are growing very quickly. It's March and lot of shoots coming up. I am expecting lot of flowers going to be there as well. I'll share more updates sooner, but in this video I'm not going to extend more. You can already see how pruning encourages their growth within a week. Congratulations! You have mastered the art of rose pruning during early spring. Armed with these skills, your rose garden is sure to flourish with beauty and fragrance in the month to come. If you found this video helpful, give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe for more gardening tips. Happy gardening, passionate gardener!